Hello friends, this is data connectivity and transformation part 4 video. In this we are going to learn insert an ID column, remove duplicates, merge two datasets, append a dataset into another dataset, and how we are going to remove unnecessary data from the columns. Keep watching this video. Add index column. Before adding index column in your dataset, first you have to analyze and figure out all the null rows, all the rows which don't have values. Maybe you have the dataset you have connected with your Power BI or query editor. They contains numbers of rows which don't have values. So for that I have two sales record for group 1 and group 2 and the customer details. I have connected three datasets right now. So for group 1, let's check how many rows are there which don't have values. Go to the filter menu and select null. You will easily find out numbers of records which don't have values. So these are the rows where we don't have any value. So for that what we have to do, let's revert this change and go to remove row options and remove blank rows. You have to select this option. It will automatically remove all the rows for which we don't have any values, and you will easily find out the step what you have performed. Same thing I am going to do for this one. Okay, here for sales G2, go to this option and remove the blank rows. Now again you will get same thing. Filter, remove top rows, remove blank rows, filtered rows. So these all are the options what we are getting for this particular sheet, for this particular data set, you can say. Okay, so this is the way how we can remove the rows which don't have values. And next we have to add the index column. So for that what we have to do, for adding any index column we have to add new column. So that option will be in add new column group. Here you will find out one option which help you to add an index column. See, here is an index column. Just click this one and it will give you option from 0 or from 1. From, let's click on this one, from 0. You will get an index column and the value is going to start from 0, but the 0 will not work because you have the details in this one. Remove this one and again click this option and add from 1. You will get indexing for all your rows from starting from 1 to the end. So this is the way how you can add index in your rows and how you can remove rows which don't have values. Similarly, we have option to remove the duplicates. Here is the option remove rows. Inside the remove rows you will get remove duplicates. You just have to select this one. Just click this one. It will automatically remove all the duplicates records from your dataset and you will get the step what you applied right now. Similarly, you can perform same thing to this one. Remove duplicates. So this is the way how we are removing all the duplicates from our sheet or from our dataset. Append one dataset to the another one. Append is a similar task what we are performing with the help of union and union all in our SQL Server. So here append means we are going to append the data from dataset G2 to G1. So we just want to combine both of the records in a single dataset. So for that we have to select G1. We have one option append. Just need to click this one. It will ask you like which table you want to append. The current one is G1 and the data set what we want it's G2. Now we have to select G2 and it will combine all the data, all the records in a single data set. So this is the record what we are getting, and just we have to rename it because we are combined all in a single place. So it is total sales. Fine. Next activity is to merge two different dataset. How we can merge and what is our goal to merge two dataset. See, this is a total sales dataset in which we have customer ID, but we don't know the customer name. So to finding all these things like product ID is there, employee ID is there, customer ID is there, but while creating any document we can't display these things. We have to show the names to understand for the end users. So for that what we have to do, we have two tables. This customer, in this table we have customer ID as well as customer name, and in the total sales we only have the customer ID. So what we have to do, we have to merge this table with the customer details, and we'll find out all the names which is related to the orders, that particular orders. Okay, so for that we have a, inside the home we will find out merge. You have to click this option and you will find out these kind of options. You have to select that particular column which you want to make as a unique thing. It will work as a primary and foreign key, and I will explain you in upcoming videos. But for right now we just have to know this column ID we are going to use for from the our first table, and then we have to select the other table from where we are going to perform the merging. So we have to select this customer details from where we are going to fetch the customer names. Then we will get all the records in this table. Again we have to select the columns, which columns we are going to map from first table to the another table. And here you will find out lots of options as you are getting in our SQL server. So here left outer, right outer, full outer, inner, left anti, right anti. So you will get all for left outer all from first matching from second. Similar kind of thing you will get from other merging conditions, join kinds. Okay, so for now we are going to just select left outer. We have to select this one and then we have to click OK. So here we are getting lots of options. Just click this one and you will get numbers of things what we can use to perform our task. We can get any one of them to display over the visualizer, over our dashboard or anywhere. So for now we are just going to check what else options are there. Use first row as headers, so many things are there, but right now we are not going to work any kind of activities right now. We just have to revert this one and you will get again these things. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have to just select this icon. Here we will get numbers of records and we have to select only the name one. Select this one and press OK. You will easily find out the name against that particular order, and you can move this column from this place to the any other place where you want. Just behind this customer ID we have the customer name. So you can rename this again as customer name. So this is the way how we are appending the tables, how we are performing merging, how we are removing the duplicates, removing the null values. One more thing just I want to convey here: movement of the columns. We can move one column from here to here with the help of mouse, or we can select multiple of the columns at a time and perform the movement like this. Else what we can do, we can select the column and there is a dedicated function, move our column from here, from beginning, from to end, to beginning, left or right. Okay, so I have selected this two column and move it to beginning. You will find all those columns here in the beginning of this dataset. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in upcoming videos.